Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Word. So to uninstall it, you have to uninstall Microsoft Office. So go to the search bar and search for absent features. Then go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Office. Then click on it and click on uninstall. The second option is, let's first close this window, is to go to the search bar again and search for Control Panel. Click on it. Then go to Programs and click on Uninstall a Program. And now search for Microsoft Office. Click on it. Then click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. And wait a few seconds, then Microsoft Office will be completely uninstalled from your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.